Alright, so welcome to Pbteck. I'm Prince, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect your gotv decoder, be it an old gotv decoder or latest one. Connect it to the next TV. By watching the video, you can actually connect it to 3 or more TVs. Okay, so let's start. When it comes to gotv or any decoder connecting, it will depend on the decoder type and then the port available for you to actually connect it to the next TVs. Okay, so here with the latest gotv decoder, you have 3 different options that you can actually select from depending on what materials or the tools that you have. Okay, so here we have the latest one have HDMI port. HDMI port, that's the only gotv decoder version that have the HDMI ports. All the old ones that do not have any HDMI port. So if you are using the latest one and you are using a plasma TV, you can actually use an HDMI spreader and then buy a long HDMI cable. It's available, but it's available in most of the online shops, not available in rural electronic shops. I don't think you get some over there, but you can search. Okay, so buy a spreader using the latest one, and you have plasma TV. You are connecting it to 2 or more plasma TV. Just get HDMI spreader. You can buy 2-in-1, 4-in-1, depending on the number of TVs that you are extending the video signal to. Okay, so with the old gotv decoders, you have only 2 options. That's the AV out and then the RF out. Okay, so with this decoder, we have jack to AV out. Okay, with the jack to AV out, this is how you should do the connection to send it to another TV set. Okay, so if we are using Decoder 2, the Decoder 1, it actually comes with this cable. That's the jack in to AV in or phono in. Okay, but you need to replace this cable with this. So AV in, you need AV out. Okay, so you connect it over here in the AV ports. Okay, neatly like this, and then you will need a phono spreader or AV spreader. It is available, you can search for it. Okay, so you need a spreader and then insert or fix one in each of the ports. There are 3 ports over here, 2 for audio and then 1 for video. The video is the yellow port. Okay, so here, as you have spreaded the signal right here, you just insert your AV cable. All right, so you're gonna need 2 AV cables, yellow one, and then add another yellow into the same port. Okay, red one. Okay, white here, red here, red here. Okay, so you fix it exactly like this. The white cables go to the white AV spreader that is attached to the white AV cable right here. Yellow, you do same to each. All right, but have in mind the yellow holds the video, so take note of that. If not, your video won't be showing. But with the audios, even if one is not working, the other one will be in place. Okay, so this is the next option that you can choose. Okay, so we have a long AV cable that you can actually purchase depending on the distance that your next TVs are. Okay, have been placed. Okay, so buy a long AV cable depending on the distance, and then you are good to go. There won't be any loss of video signal. Okay, and then the last one will be using the RF out. The RF out option. Okay, that's where maybe you don't have any all the 2 items that I've mentioned over here. that's where you should use the RF out option, because with RF out it actually reduces the video quality. Okay, so with the RF out it's very simple. Just get a coax cable, right here, connect your F connector to one side. That will be going into your GoTV RF output. Okay, so connect that cable over here in the RF output. Okay, and then the other side of the cable, just connect your RF pin. RF pins, we have two RF pins, that's the male and female. So here you're gonna look at the back of the TV whether the TV is having the male or female, but mostly it have the female. Okay, so inserting the male RF male pin. Okay, insert it over there in the antenna in. Okay, as you can see here, insert it in the antenna in of your TV. And if you are doing this installation type to a flat screen television, it will be the same thing. Just insert it in the antenna in or RF in. Okay, all right. So after that, here you need to do some settings before you can get a video on this TV. All right, so you go straight to your decoder menu, GoTV decoder menu, and then look at the channel number that they have placed the video signal. Okay, so you pick up your remote. Okay, so here you go to your GoTV decoder menu, because now it will not work here. Okay, I have already do the settings, but I have to show you. Okay, so here all you got to do, go to GoTV decoder menu and then look for advanced options. Okay, right here, advanced option. Press OK on it and then come to number 4. That's the TV installation. Come down to TV installation right here. So TV installation, you come down to UHF tuning. Okay, press OK. So here you're gonna find the channel number over here. So channel number 63. That's where whenever that's the channel number for your TV or for the video output. Okay, that's where you have channel 8 over there. So without setting this TV onto channel 63, it won't work. So you have to install it and then set it at channel 63. In most TVs, all you got to do is to just press on auto scan. So whenever it reach wherever they have set the channel number, it will stop. But it will be good for you to know the channel number before you set it straight over there. Alright, so if you find this video helpful and today is your first time watching me on this channel, all you got to do is to subscribe. Click on the subscribe button over there, click on the bell notification, like the video, share on all platforms that accept YouTube videos, and you'll be blessed. More content coming up. Alright, thanks for watching. Bless.